In a passion play, crumbling away. I'm your source of self-destruction. Veins are pumped with fear, stuck in darkness clear, leading on your death's construction. Taste me, you will see, more is all you need. Dedicated to how I'm killing you. Come crawling faster, obey your master. Your life burns faster, obey your master. Master the compass and pulling your strings, twisting your mind and smashing your dreams. Blinded by me, you can't see a thing. Just call my name 'cause I hear you scream. Master, just call my name 'cause I hear you scream. Master. Needle work the way, never you betray. Life of death becoming clearer. Pain monopoly, ritual misery. Chop your breakfast on a mirror. Taste me, you will see, more is all you need. Dedicated to how I'm killing you. Come crawling faster, obey your master. Your life burns faster, obey your master of compass and pulling your strings, twisting your mind and smashing your dreams. Blinded by me, you can't see a thing. Just call my name 'cause I hear you scream. Master, just call my name 'cause I hear you scream. Master. Master, where's those dreams that I've been after? Master, promise only lies. Laughter, all I see or hear is laughter, laughing at my cries. Oh Lord, won't you fix me? What am I talking about? Hey there, thanks for watching my cover of Master of Puppets in the style of John Mayer. I'm clearly no John Mayer when it comes to vocals, but I gave it a shot, and that's also kind of depressing as well. So what is it again? Something, subscribe.